find a dead body?
What's the location?
Mammal High School.
Okay, we'll be there right away.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
State your name and today's date.
Priscilla Paper, June 27, 2018.
Mrs. Paper, did you witness anything today?
Yes, Mr. Mathematics was in the teacher's lounge earlier this morning and he poured a glass of something red from a pitcher in the refrigerator. Then he left the lounge with the glass and went back to his classroom.
State your name and today's date.
Pat Principal, June 27th, 2018.
What can you tell us about what happened here today?
Well, Nancy neighbor called me this morning here at the high school and she asked me why the police were here. And then she told me that she saw 5 kids running around the school playing around.
State your name and today's date.
My name is Coach Crunch, and today's date would be June 27th.
And what did you see on the day of the murder?
I saw 5 kids this morning. They were walking around the track and playing baseball. I didn't see anyone else, and I know who the kids were. I can tell you their names.
Would you happen to know their shoe size?
That's an odd request, but yes, I do. I had to issue them all socks with their athletic uniforms and had to get their shoe sizes for the order.
Please tell us everything about the kids you saw this morning with as much detail as you possibly can.
Let's see. There was Stephanie Streetsmart. She was wearing a nylon jogging suit. Bobby Booksmart was there wearing a cotton sweatshirt and jeans. Then there was Lenny Language wearing a nylon jogging suit. Henrietta History, and she was wearing a cotton t-shirt and jeans. And the 5th kid was Marty Mascot, who was also wearing a cotton t-shirt and jeans. All the kids wear size 6 shoes, except for Lenny Language, who wore the size 8, and they were all wearing gym shoes this morning. All rise for the Honorable Judge Bennett.
can be seated. In the case of the People versus Mrs. History, or Miss History, how does the defendant plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
This is the murder trial of Mr. Mathematics. It's the People versus Henrietta History, to where it is told that she murdered the math teacher. I call my first witness, Inspector Garcia.
Your Honor, at the crime scene, we found this shoe print.
Objection, Your Honor.
Approach the bench.
Yeah.
Okay. As you can see, all the other shoe prints have been the same.
But that shoe size matched Henrietta History's. We got that information from the coach.
You have a point here, counselor. Overruled.
Also at the crime scene, we found Henrietta History's fingerprints. Her fingerprints were also on what we believe is a poisonous substance or content.
Let the record show that they found a poisonous substance. Any more questions for your witness?
Isn't it also to be said there was fabric found at the crime scene?
Oh, yes, there was. And it matched what Henrietta History was wearing that day.
And what was that specific fabric?
Cotton.
Would the defense like to cross-examine the witness?
Okay, so although they were all wearing the same shoe size except one, that could have easily been Jenna Linton.
And her shoe matched the shoe print. It could have easily been someone else's shoe size. That's
Yes,
right.
yes.
But it was her shoe print. They all had different shoes on.
Yeah, when was this
I
person
did.
ever got to be the claim?
It's when I was on the crime board.
The defense, call your witness.
I would like to call up Marty Mascot to the stand. So, since you happen to be one of the witnesses there, could you please tell us exactly what happened? In the morning of Mr. Mathematics' death.
I was getting ready for my discipline.
And what time was that baseball game out? Interesting. Who was on the board?
My team.
And the names? What size shoe? Do you have the same shoe as in your history?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
The prosecution like to cross-examine the witness? Yes.
So it is said that you have the same shoe size as the defendant. But is it to be said that you have the same blood type as the defendant?
The blood was not admitted into
Sister.
evidence.
Okay, fine. This is the fingerprint found at the crime scene. It does not match this suspect's right here, but it matches Henrietta History's. Henrietta History to the stand.
Raise your right hand. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
As we know, the defendant here, Henrietta History, is on trial for the murder of the math teacher, Mr. Mathematics. Is it true that you were said to be failing his class?
Yes, that is true.
And is there a possibility for you to get back at the math teacher for murdering him before he put in your final grade? Not any chance at all.
The answer is no.
We did tests on multiple fibers found at the crime scene, but there was one that matched you.
Yes, well, you see, well, the janitor hadn't cleaned yet, but I went in there to get an orange for Mr. Rhinoceros, and yeah, so that's why my fingerprints were there.
And you didn't see Mr. Mathematics laying on the floor? Dead?
No, this was the day before.
Sorry. The day before.
Yes, the day before I got an orange.
And what were you doing the morning of Mr. Mathematics' murder?
I was playing a game of baseball.
Baseball. And
On that morning, I was with Stephanie Street Smart, Marty Mascot, and Bobby Booksmart.
Was this really an insulting with new players?
It was more of a little, kind of weak. We hadn't started the real baseball season
Why were you there that morning playing baseball at the school?
yet. We wanted to practice so that we could be ready for the real season. So we all got our shoes and socks from the coach.
Can you walk me through exactly what you did from the morning?
Yes. I got to school, went to the coach's office, and we all checked out our socks and our mitts. And then we all went to play. Stephanie Street Smart was up to bat, and she hit the ball, and it shattered one of the windows that leads to the teacher's lounge. Then we all scattered. I went to the bathroom, and then I went home.
So it was you, Stephanie Street Smart, and were there any others that were playing with you?
Marty Mascot, and Bobby Booksmart, and Stephanie. Oh no, okay, Stephanie Street Smart is definitely good.
Can I have your minutes, please? Now, is there any reason why your fingerprints wouldn't match up?
As I said before, I went to the teacher's lounge to get another teacher a fruit. And that's why my fingerprints were on the refrigerator. Right? Well, 4 of my other teammates have this exact same shoe size and the same shoe. So what does that really mean?
You should have seen it.
That's your question.
No further questions, Your Honor. So, have any of you either filled an assignment or a class? Did I give you any reason to hate the teacher, want to kill the teacher, or think of any ways to hurt them?
Yes.
Yes.
So why would my client?
If there are no further questions, the jury will deliberate. We have a consensus?
Yes. We find the defendant as in how the poison was gone to the defendant and how the defendant got the poison into the teacher's lounge.
I want to thank the High Court of New Jersey finds this defendant not guilty. She should be released immediately from the custody of the state. You're free to go.
Court adjourned.
Court adjourned.